Well, this is it. The freshly wrapped, refinished E46. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for this video and it's finally here. The car just looks so good. I'm actually really surprised for like 550 bucks. You can get some AliExpress wrap and this is the final result. Just came out so good. The issues with the gray paint, it was just old and it has started fading around because of the sun. And just now the car looks like brand new. So went ahead and slapped a set of Michelins on it, upgraded the rotor to something slotted, also upgraded the pads to something ceramic so it bites a bit better. I put some spacers on because I know a lot of you guys are complaining that the car had no spacers, but now look how it sits. Way better. Also destroyed my splitter right there. Kind of unfortunate. At least the car looks really good. Walking around, just so nice. I love this color. It's like a two-tone. It's weird. It's like blue, but then in the sun you see like green, but then at night it looks like a purple gray. It has like multiple personalities. It just looks so good. The rear is pretty tucked now. I am rubbing a little bit on the back, especially when I have like passengers. It does tend to rub, but when I'm by myself, it doesn't really rub at all. And just look how this came out. When I was wrapping the trunk, I didn't even bother just cutting this hole out because there's already like 3 different ways I can open the trunk, and honestly if I cut it, it probably would have looked worse, so I just left it. But other than that, like for the most part, like it's definitely like a 9 out of 10. Wrapping itself wasn't too bad. There's like little spots like around here, like just under. There's kind of some sloppiness going on there. I accidentally cut into the wrap with my X-Acto knife. It's definitely not perfect, but considering I did it with like a brace on my hands and basically just one person the whole time, definitely came out really good. It definitely came out better than I expected, I'm not gonna lie. Especially with the cheap wrap, you never really know, but honestly it came out really good. I also do know a lot of you guys are waiting for that video for this limited slip differential conversion I did with race stiffs. The differential's in the car right now. I've been driving it for the past, I want to say, week, and it's been pretty good. Basically drives like stock. Haven't really pushed it too far yet. Just waiting for the oils to, get in all the gears, and next time it rains, we're gonna have a reveal video for that coming, so stay tuned. But other than that, guys, can't believe how good it came out, honestly. Something else I'm also planning for the car, I'm debating if I should just buy like a full carbon CSL trunk and just get rid of the wing, because I really do like this wing, and I do think it does look really good on the car, but I've had it for so long now, I kind of want to switch it up a little bit. Maybe get like a trunk, like a rear bash bar mounted spoiler, maybe. I'm not too sure. I want to change up the back a little bit. Still debating what to do, but that's something I also got planned coming. I definitely gotta show you some clips at night, how this color looks. Like if you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know exactly how it looks, but it just looks so good. Like the tone just switches up. Like at night, it looks like a completely different color, which I love. I also bet you haven't guys heard this car in a while, so let's go turn it on. Listen to that rumble. I've been driving the car for the past like few weeks. I think the water pump went out like a few days ago, so I went ahead and upgraded that to like a metal propeller one, because I'm pretty sure the original one was still in the car, which I'm pretty surprised. And other than that, the car's been pretty good in terms of maintenance. Just, do your oil changes, stuff like that. As you guys can see, the car's still running nice and strong, shooting flames. I think it's been like a year, maybe a year and a half since I've had this tune on the car, and so far like no issues, just like normal E46 stuff. You know how it goes. But other than that, the car's looking real nice. And definitely expect a race this video coming soon, trust me. So other than that, that's going to be the revealed E46 for you guys. I hope you guys like the color. I'm really curious how this AliExpress wrap's going to hold up, like in maybe the next year or so. I don't really plan on keeping it on the car for too long, but not going to lie, it does look like a really good color. So I'm pretty impressed with it so far. If you guys want to see more of the car, feel free to go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave it on the page right here somewhere. But other than that, you guys should be expecting a race test video quite soon. Stay tuned.